Good morning. My name is Cody Benishek. I am the Internet Manager over at Cecil, Atkission. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use our Shop, Click, and Drive. First of all, you'll need to go to our website, cecilmotorsgm.com. Then click on the Buy Online. Then from here, you can either pick pre-owned or new. Let's do new for this demonstration. Then you just pick the vehicle you're looking at. To say you want a LT Equinox right here. You hit Start Buying Process. It's going to load up the finance options, the lease options, and a cash option. You can put in your down payment to customize to try to get those payments where you're looking for. You can use it with the 0% APR GM is offering, or you can go to the average APR with more rebates and incentives, just depending on which way works best for you. You can put trade information right here. You can customize if you want to add accessories such as a bed cover. You can add back seat storage, stuff like that. Then from here, just click the Start Buying Process. You will enter your information. We'll go through there. If you want to pick it up at your house and you are a business, makes it very easy and simple. You put in your trade information, review, give us a credit application. We'll set everything up and make it very easy for you. All you have to do is go to the general GM site and follow those simple directions. We look forward to working with you in this new project that we're undergoing. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us or call me directly at 830-370-6755. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.